Hello everyone, my name is David Kwon, and today we have a math problem from a topic called the application of derivative. So here we have a spy with its telescope to look at the view of a rocket that is about to go off, and we will call this variable x. The angles between the telescope and the ground is pi over 3, and the distance between the telescope and the rocket is 6 kilometers. The rate of the change in degree is d theta over dt is equal to 0.9. And we are trying to solve for dx over dt. You don't know this for now. We will use the trig function tangent because this represents that it is an interaction between the adjacent and the opposite. From the SOHCAHTOA formula, this is how you spell it. We will use this section because it starts from t that represents tangent. Opposite means the opposite of the angle shown on the triangle. So the opposite we have here is the x. So we have x over, and the adjacent is 6. We will derivative this right here, right now. So we have secant theta squared d theta is equal to 1 over 6 times dx. We will divide on the both side by dt, so we can make it by per. We will also multiply 6 on the both side again. Not again, to cancel the 1 over 6 because we don't want any fractions. So we have a new form which is 6 times secant theta squared d theta over dt is equal to dx over dt. We don't want to work with any secant, so we will change this into a cosine. So we have 6 times 1 over cosine theta squared times d theta over dt is equal to dx over dt. And we will insert theta is equal to pi over 3 and d theta over dt is equal to 0.9. So we have 6 is equal to 6 times 1 over cosine squared pi over 3 times 0.9 is equal to dx over dt. Cosine pi over 3. Cosine plays the role of a x-axis. And pi over 3, this is pi, that is being broken apart into 3 pieces, and it goes to the cosine direction, and when the radius is 1, this point is 1 over 2. But since there's a squared, we're going to square 1 over 2 as well, so we have 1/4. But we already have a 1/4. So that gets us to 4. So we have 6 times 4 times 0.9 is equal to dx over dt. 0.9 can be 9 over 10 times 24 is equal to dx over dt. 24 times 9 is 206 over 10 is equal to dx over dt. So we have our answer, which is dx over dt is equal to 21.6. So the answer we have right here, 21.6, means that the rocket's velocity is 21.6. So here we have it, our answer. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye.